In this module, it's all about the data. In Module 1, collectively, you developed a definition for technology that extends past digital devices. That was an aha moment for a lot of people. You also analyzed your content standards and technology standards and decided on which ones you would focus on for your technology integration plan. You're on your way to developing a technology integration plan. And we started with a rationale, and your rationale summarized learning styles, interests, and needs of your students. It also highlighted the need for students to develop technology literacy, and this was based on our readings and discussions. You also noted the need to consider your colleagues' buy-in, and especially where they fall on the technology adoption curve. So to prepare more to develop your technology integration plan, you came up with a collection of educational technologies to put in your teacher toolkit. And this collection will serve as a benefit, or you would decide what resources will benefit your students by offering them multiple means for accessing information and expressing what they've learned. New in Module 2 are discussion groups. And I want you to really use your groups effectively. I want you to collaborate more to maximize your time as well as your talents. How can you use the jigsaw method to complete your assignments due in this module? I will provide a link for a resource so if you don't know how to do the jigsaw method, I think it'd be valuable for you to learn if you haven't used it before, and also a strategy you can implement right away in your classroom. So I mentioned how to think about how to use technologies in a new way. And so the question I have is, how will you integrate technology into your lessons, and at what level of student engagement? And for this, we have the SAM-R model of technology integration. It starts with substitution, augmentation, modification, and then redefinition. And we're going to learn more about this method to evaluate at what level we're using technology or what level it's being integrated. There will be an introduction video by commonsense.org. It's one of my go-to sites for technology integration. And the video is only 4 minutes, and this will be linked in your Module 2 resources. So I want you to kind of shift your thinking and consider how to use different technologies in a new way. And I want you to think NASA spinoff. One of my favorite NASA spinoff is the memory foam. It was originally designed by NASA-funded researchers with the intention of keeping test pilots cushioned during their flights. Now it's used in beds, couches, shoes, just to name a few items. There's so many more ways they're being used, the memory foam.